Hey everyone, what is going on? What is going on? My name is Curtis Brooks. I'm a men's life coach. I help men communicate their way to healthy relationships. Recently, I was asked by a viewer, when do men begin to deal with their pain? Well, the short answer is when they're ready. And this does not imply that they don't care. This just means that each person, be it man or woman, specifically men, because that's who we're talking about, with men, we'll have to reach that level of pain, that threshold where it says, hey, this is enough, I've had enough. And in most cases, it's not going to be because you as women have reached your level of frustration. It's for each person to deal with their situation, internal or external, whatever it may be. It's for each person to deal with it in the best way they know how. Obviously, there are going to be tools out there, but even with the tools that are out there, that man has to be ready to engage those tools. That man has to be ready to ask questions of his own behavior. Why am I doing this? Why am I acting like this? What is going on? He has to be ready to deal with it. And until he's ready to deal with it, the likelihood of him changing or giving you a different response to the same behavior is probably not going to happen anytime soon. So patience is absolutely needed. All right, guys, to short and sweet to a question that was asked by a viewer, when do men begin to deal with their pain? When they're ready. We'll talk to you soon, guys. Ciao for now. Bye-bye.